Hey guys, lockpick mechanic here today with an NE14CS. CS means closed shackle, 14 is relating to its actual shackle size, and it's got the MTL300 core. This is the NE14OS, which means open shackle, so exactly the same, just hasn't got the closed shackle on it. Cores that you normally find on here could be anywhere between the Garrison to the MTL300 normally. So the Garrison is 0767, which is Garrison, 348E for integrator, and the next step up, which we have got, is the 586D, which is MTL300. Show you it working. It's got this little shutter element here that we've got to deal with, and it just slides open like that. So let's put everything aside and get it picked. Let's get it picked. So there we are. Make sure it's to the side. 1, 7.5 dropped into a fault set. Okay, touch 6 dropped in deeper. Touch 5 again, coming off 5. Set that. Okay, 7.2, yeah, set him. Now go near 5 because it always resets back up. There we are. See how we dropped into that fault set again. It's quite deep. Okay. Okay, reset 5 again. 3's just got into deeper fault set. And we're open, guys. There we are. So a bit of a fight from this. How do we get this open? Well, I'm just a man to show you. So there should be a little plastic cover. Normally what I do if I've got the time, which I don't at the minute, is get some hot water. That's what you should be doing. Get some hot water on this and strip it like so. It's a bit of my nail. There is a little flat here for us to undo, so bear with us. I've got my favourite blue flatty here. I don't mean the women I go out with. Just press that down like this, give it a bounce, and then the core should come out. Anyways, so we've got a kick cylinder here. Is this pin and pin, and I'm just going to try and separate these out so you can see what they do. So that is a separate pin there, and then obviously there's the pin and pin driver as well, and the rest of these are all spools and weighted. And obviously we've got a torpedo, a security key pin there as well. I'm sure this will be lockpick mechanic.